Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another video. So today's video is a vlog and आज is very important day for me, very exciting day for me because आज पहली बार first time I'm going to get a professional shoot done. So I'm really excited, and for that I have a professional MUA with me and also a professional photographer. So and also a professional location. So I'm like supremely excited. I know I should have done this sooner, but पता नहीं टाइम ही नहीं मिला कभी. सो टुडे इज़ द डे एंड आई एम ऑल रेडी. मुझे एथनिक वे में शूट कराना है एक्चुअली बिकॉज ऑफ दशहरा एंड दिवाली, एंड मैंने कपड़े भी सोर्स किए हैं पहली बार. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़. एंड आई हैव स्ट्रेटन माई हेयर, अभी इसलिए ऐसे बांध के रखे हैं. अभी बस आई एम वेटिंग फॉर माई MUA टू कम. उसके बाद जस्ट आई गेट रेडी एंड गो, एंड देन लोकेशन पे पहुँच के आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज माई आउटफिट्स एंड गेट इट डन विद. Yeah, pretty excited. So for those of you who don't know what sourcing is, basically it's like where a brand lends you clothes and you can shoot in that and then return the clothes back. So that's what I'm doing today. I have 3 outfits. I'm going to show you everything in this vlog, so stay tuned. So by the time she comes, let me just show you the outfit. So this is the first outfit that I have. This is a proper choli, and then these are some pants, and इसके साथ एक shrug भी है. I think this is my favorite outfit सब में, बहुत ही प्यारा है. The next outfit is this lehenga and this choli, and it has a dupatta also. दुपट्टा में we have this thing, choker dupatta I think इसको बोलते हैं, I'm not sure. So this is the second outfit, and the third outfit is also my absolute favorite. It's a gown, and इसका color is pretty nice. I think photos में सबसे अच्छा इसका color आने वाला है. I love it. Plus all these outfits are from a local Lucknow brand, which is House of Gineja, which is also my school friend ka brand. So I'm kind of promoting it as well in my photos. So stay tuned. And I love it. If you are in Lucknow and you want to shop something ethnic for Diwali or Dussehra, then definitely go ahead and you can buy it. Their store is in Kapurthala, and I'm going to tag their Instagram handle as well. Guys, so she's finally here. Hi. She also brought lenses for me. Oh my god. Okay, let us know about yourself.
Hi, I'm Priyanka, and I am a freelance makeup artist. I work mostly in Lucknow, Kanpur and Delhi, and I'm here to do Madhumika's makeup for today.
I'm really excited, and see what I'm wearing. मैंने पहला वाला top already पहन लिया है, and I have never seen this much makeup in my life before. Super excited. Are we ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
It's true, darling, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm around, baby, it's true, yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never.
So my makeup is done and I'm loving it. Come here. Thank you so much. Oh my god. मेरी मम्मी बोल रही है बस अब शादी कर लो, एकदम तैयार हूँ मैं. Thank you. And now we're going to go and get shot. Bye. Bye. So I just can't stop looking at my face. I'm looking gorgeous. Thank you so much, Priyanka ma'am, for doing this with me. I look amazing as always. And now we're finally going to the location, and it's in Gomti Nagar, Lucknow. And मैंने सब कुछ बातें की है खुद से, तो आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ कि मैं ये खुद से कर पा रही हूँ पहली बार. आई शुड हैव डन इट अर्लियर वैसे, क्योंकि मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ द ब्लॉगर्स डू दिस. दे आर ये उनके रूटीन में हो जाता है कि हाँ फोटोग्राफर है, उनकी टीम होती है प्रॉपर, बट आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. तो मैंने सोचा कि चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. सो या ऑन माई वे टू द लोकेशन एंड लेट्स सी यू देयर. So we are finally at the location. This is Boho Bar and it opens at 1 o'clock, but I got some time to shoot, इसलिए मैं जल्दी आ गई. And आज 2nd August है, तो 2nd October है, so anyway it will be full क्योंकि छुट्टी है सबकी. So I got time 10:30 से 1 o'clock तक का, but I'm late. But ठीक है, I'm going to start now. It's 11 already. Let's see and hope कि 1 बजे तक सब finish हो जाए. Let's go. So these are my photographers for today. Hi. So I know Rajiv from Bangalore. He is also in Infosys. कैसा लगता है आपको Infosys में काम करके? बहुत अच्छा. ये ऊपर वाली पोजीशन पहुंच चुके हैं काफ़ी, तो he is chill. और he is a very big deal in South, and I think फोटोग्राफी हेड भी है आप इन्फोसिस के साउथ वाले उसके समथिंग कुछ बता दीजिए आप।
Whole South region.
हाँ,
And also Nikon Professional.
बहुत ही बड़ी बिग डील है ये फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग। तो हम जा रहे हैं इनके साथ आज शूट करने। आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड ये इनके इक्विपमेंट्स आप देख सकते हैं, ये तो पूरा बैग भरा हुआ है यहाँ पे, दिखा दूँ मैं?
खोलना पड़ेगा.
चलो,
Lot of things.
आर यू
First thing,
एक्साइटेड?
With the Nikon Z6. with
Oh my
80
God.
film. Okay. I'm using Godox flashes, AD100 Pro and AD200 together. This is a Nifty 50. How you know it? Nifty 50 is a very common lens.
मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं पता इनमें से, बट ठीक है।
This is an ultra wide angle lens, mostly used for architectural, but also for some aesthetic shots.
तो आप देख ही सकते हैं दोस्तों कि इनके पास बहुत कुछ है शूट
And we have
करने।
wireless mics and all if we are recording something. And also we have some Godox video lights, which you should buy actually.
आई शुड बाय, हाँ आई शुड बाय यार, सही बात
Buy
है।
these things so that whenever you want some colorful lights on you,
वाओ,
it can be like so beautiful, right?
वेरी नाइस।
And also, if you are in a hurry and if you want to just rush through the traffic, then you can just take this thing and just run. Oh my God, there's a police raid.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी
Lot
नाइस।
of opportunity, and especially if you want to like showcase that if you are sad and stuff.
हाँ,
you can
तब
just
तो
put it like this and I'm just sitting in a camera.
Oh my God.
Candlelight flame. And it's just too cold, you know.
बहुत दुख है मेरी जिंदगी में।
बहुत ज़्यादा, क्या करें?
चलिए फिर
That's all.
we'll start, let's go। Had an amazing experience shooting with Rajiv. He made me feel super comfortable and also helped me with the poses as well. Plus, I mean, I can't wait for you guys to look at the photos. They are amazing. I had so much fun and I would definitely recommend you shooting with Rajiv if you are in Lucknow. Hey guys, so we are done with our shoot and हम लोग अब खाना खाने आ गए हैं। मैंने चेंज कर लिया लेकिन बिंदी नहीं हट पाई क्योंकि बिंदी चिपकी वाली नहीं है। But I love the makeup. I mean, Priyanka did a great job. I love it. I'm going to add her in the description box below. You can just check out her page on Instagram. Also, I'm going to add Rajiv as well. Check out his page as well. And yeah, now I'm here to eat. उसके बाद मिलते हैं। चलो, bye.
Play God, man, I'm crazy, but I'm around, baby, it's true.
So we are done having our lunch and I'm going back now. It was a supremely fun day and I had so much fun. I didn't know that shooting outdoors or shooting somewhere, you know, with a professional would be so exciting. I really had a great time with Rajiv and with Priyanka. She did a great job. I mean, even the photographer told me कि your skin looks flawless. इसमें तो edit करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. Just because of the makeup. So I just want to look at myself again. It was perfect. I'm so thankful to all of them. Plus मेरी मम्मी ने तो बोल दिया है कि भाई शादी में she's only going to come and do my makeup whenever that happens. So yeah, thanks a lot to my photographer and my makeup artist, and everything is, you know, in the description as I told before. Just check them out. And that's it guys. I think I'm going to end my vlog here. बहुत छोटा सा प्यारा सा vlog होगा. I think ये ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं होने वाला है. And yeah, if you want to know more about sourcing or, you know, other things regarding a professional shoot, drop in the comment section. I'm going to reply to that as well. Thanks so much. Bye.